Alright, first just start with a clean cut. Stripper's a little beat up, but it'll do. This stuff usually easy to just get out of the way. Easier to deal with. Now this is the main trick. Makes things a lot easier. Take the wires, and if you have a tiny a tiny flathead, stick it at the bottom. Let's see, I got it like pinched in there, and then pull up real fast, and it straightens the wire out, so you don't have that loop. Makes it a million times easier. It's like makes people who don't do that make a lot of these, are foolish. Alright, so you can see how freaking straight it is because they're freaking all twisted together and crap. So white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So you're gonna take it like that, and you gotta think it's in reverse probably, yeah, okay. But just think the way I'm looking. Try to pull up straight, grab the top, and then pull down, and then grab the top like that and just kind of twist a little bit, and you can see the wires get real nice and straight. Make sure they're lined up. You can see white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Yeah, I've done this too many times. Oh, it's nice to have a nice pair of side cutters. You want that clean cut, any kind of, yeah. Also, you want to make sure you don't leave too much slack. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right there. I don't want it to shoot all over the place, so I'm gonna hit it. So you can see, not too much there, nice and straight. Now if I did this right, here's my nice end. It should slide right in there gorgeous like it just did. Double check it. White, orange, orange. Get my crimp tool. Boom. Good to go. As long as you get that sleeve in the plastic, you're fine. And you can see in there when they line it, depending on what kind of ends you're using. But that's how you do it.